In today's video, we are going to cover how to open a trade on eToro. Begin by finding the asset you want to trade. On eToro, this usually means using the search bar to look up a stock, cryptocurrency, ETF, commodity, or another available market. As you type, matching results will appear, and you can select the one you want from the list. Take a moment here to make sure you have chosen the correct asset, especially if there are similar names or multiple versions of the same market. Once you are on the asset page, look for the Trade button and click it. This opens the trade ticket, which is where you set up the position you want to place. The trade ticket brings the main controls together in one place, so from here you can choose the direction of the trade and enter the details before submitting it. Next, choose the type of position you want to open. If you want to open a long position, select Buy. If you want to open a short position, select Short. This choice determines whether you are entering the trade with the expectation that the asset will move up or down. Make sure the correct option is selected before moving to the next part of the ticket, since the direction of the position affects the rest of the order. After that, enter the amount or the number of units you want to trade. Depending on the asset and the way the trade ticket is displayed, you may enter a monetary amount or a specific quantity. Check that the value shown matches what you intend to place. This is also a good point to look over the figures on the ticket so you are clear on the size of the trade before you continue. Now adjust the settings if needed. You can set a stop loss to define a level where the trade will close to limit loss. And you can set a take profit to define a level where the trade will close once a target is reached. If leverage is available for the asset you are trading and you plan to use it, set that here as well. Review each setting carefully, since these choices affect how the position will behave after it is opened. When everything is in place, review the trade details one final time. Confirm the asset, the position type, the amount or units, and any stop loss, take profit, or leverage settings you entered. If the trade is a buy position, click Buy to submit it. If the trade is a short position, click Short to submit it. After that, the order will be placed based on the details you selected. Your trade on eToro is now open with the asset, position type, amount, and settings you selected.